My name's Corey. I got SMP recently done with Clayton. Early on in the process, I was very nervous, but when you take it back before that, I started losing my hair about 10 years ago. And when you start losing your hair, you lose a little bit of confidence, and you always look to get a little bit of that back. Last couple of years, I looked into SMP, trying to find the right person. Still nervous, just didn't know really where to start. I came across Clayton's work on his social media, on his website. His work was phenomenal. When you compare it to anybody else I looked at, it was just hand over fist, no question. So from there, I inquired about it, followed up with Clayton. He gave me a call. I'm about 2.5 hours away from him, so I couldn't just stop in or meet him. So over the phone, he was very detailed, very thorough, kind of eased my nerve a little bit. Like I said, it was a long drive, so he kind of gave me the confidence in him. His work told a story for itself, but he gave me the confidence over the phone about what to expect, the whole process. From there, as you can see, he did great work, and I feel very confident. It's crazy, speaking of losing your hair and going through this process, you gain that confidence back, and you don't do it for anybody else, you do it for yourself. So I appreciate Clayton, everything he's done for me, and he did great work.